Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix pop-up ads on Google Chrome. As you already see, I've opened my Google Chrome. All you have to do is go to the top right corner, click on these three dots, scroll down a little bit, go to the settings, click on it, go to the left corner. Here you can see the privacy and security, tap on it, scroll down a little bit, click on the site settings, scroll down a little bit and hover your mouse, and here you can see pop-up and redirects. Click on it. Here you can see default behavior, as sites can send pop-up and use redirects. All you have to do is just click on this. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So now your pop-up will be fixed and you don't have to worry it anymore. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.